What's good, YouTube? And I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. And as you can see, this is a POV video. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. I was about to just do a little bit of talking. I just got off of work, so I just said I'm about to just throw the head mount on and just do a little bit of talking. Like I said, here this is a POV view. The upcoming plans I do have for the car. A couple people knew, but you guys don't know. I haven't put a video up on it yet exactly, but I do got a hybrid turbo. It's the EQT Vortex turbo, and that will be getting put on my car here within the next, within the next month. I said before June. It'll be put on before June, but May is already damn near here, so it's gonna be probably put on like I said by the end of May. Right now I am gonna go just with right now I'm just gonna run 93 right now. I did also probably like a week ago I got my high pressure fuel pump installed. It's the 034 Motorsports one. Been having no problems with it. It's good, it's running strong. Got some maintenance done. I got my DSG flush done, did that. I got a coolant flush done, and then another thing I have to do still, I just need to do a carbon cleaning. Other than that, all my maintenance is caught up on. You just stay up on maintenance. Like I said, right now I am just gonna run 93. So for the Vortex turbo, it's just a standard one. It's not the XL or nothing like that. It's just a standard. So I can just run the high pressure fuel pump and I can be good on 93. They says EQT says something about 450. I'll be able to make on 93, which is pretty. That's good to me right now. Eventually, I will end up going MPI and get a low pressure fuel pump, but right now I'm just gonna go 93. I'm just gonna run a 93 because honestly, where I live at, there is e-stations, but it's not a lot. It's like literally one in each city for real, and it's just weird. So it's like it's stations, but it's not stations, if you get what I'm saying. Like I said, I am gonna have I am gonna go full E, but most of the time I am gonna be running my car on 93, just like I said, because this is my daily driver. I don't want to, like I said, don't want to get stranded out somewhere like, oh damn, I can't find E or whatever. So it's like, you know how that is. I already mentioned the high pressure fuel pump. The low pressure fuel pump I will be going with is the EQT one. It's the brushless one. I'm gonna get that one, and then I am gonna get the Precision with Raceworks MPI kit. And then other than that, I still need to get wheels and tires, but what I'm gonna do for right now, I think I'm just gonna grab two wheels just for the front. I think I'm gonna go down to 17 so I can run a fatter tire, and I will probably be running well, I ain't gonna say probably, I'm gonna run a 245. But I have seen a couple other GTIs that, like on Instagram and stuff, they're running them they did that 15-inch conversion. That to me, that looks super good. I'll put a picture of that in this video so you guys can see it, what it looks like. But it'll be I might switch down to the 15 conversion, go down to the 15-inch, or go down, like I said, go down to the 17-inch and run the 245 or whatever. I haven't made up my mind on that just yet, but I have made up on my mind. I'm just gonna get two wheels for the front right now. What else? Other than that, ain't really too much I else need before I get put this turbo on. Also, I need to get a new tune and a new DSG tune. And other than that, the car be ready to go. Car season is here. Yeah, the car season is here. I can't wait to get out a whole bunch of content for you guys this summer. I told you this, guys. This year I'm gonna go crazy with the content wise. But I'm gonna just do a little POV video for you guys, so you guys can just get a little. I haven't uploaded no POV video, so let you guys get see me drive my car or whatever. So I already did my little bit of talking already, so I'm gonna stop talking so much now and just, like I said, y'all gonna get the POV drive now. But like I said, turbo will be on the car within the next month. By the end of next month of May, I ain't gonna say next month because tomorrow is May, but by the end of May, the turbo will be on. Got another video I'm uploading that video will be out before this video, but it's on this past Sunday, a couple days ago, I went to IFO. If anybody don't know what that is, that's import face off. Good meat, turned out really good. Last year's iPhone wasn't that good at all because it was end up snowing and stuff like that, and it ended up raining. It was kind of cold. This year it was really hot. It turned out really good. Like I said, that video will be up before this video. But like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and enjoy this POV drive. Man, traffic right here, but I hate getting off around this time sometimes, man. Traffic right here be crazy. Civic SI next to us. Mind that little rattle. If you can hear that little rattle, I have my bike in the back. That's just rattling or whatever. If you guys can hear it, but you guys may not even hear it. Okay, but I can hear it. It was a little irritating me. I gotta get some air. You know, it's killing me. It's hot. Hot out here today. Well, it feels way hotter than what it is. It says it's only 73, but it feels way hotter. But shit, I got leather in my car and this, so attracts a little bit of heat. Actually been thinking about getting a different exhaust because I want to go a little bit louder for real. y'all hate just random hard ass bumps on the highway. Like, I feel like there should not be no hard ass bumps on the highway. Like, it's fucking crazy.